clear effects on crypto. Just a real quick video, little update. June 21, 3 o'clock, 3:20 in the afternoon Pacific time. So Bitcoin has remained in this channel, these two lines here. And if it drill down to the 4-hour, it's really kind of made itself really tight, trying to decide where it's going to go. At this point, looks like it might try to come down further to the bottom of that channel again. And the 1 hour, for you day traders, yeah, it's right in the middle of this channel, so you can take it either way, but the bias from what I'm seeing is to the downside right now. But this little video, or this update, really is just to show that all these other currencies, tokens, coins, all follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin is king. The next one is Ethereum, and Ethereum has made a nice, beautiful run up from a low of around 89, 90 thereabouts. Most of the trading here taken around, oh, it's quite low there, less than 100 anyway. And it broke through into this channel between this line, then went sideways in there a little bit and has now broken above it, but has come back down. So depending on what Bitcoin does, it might dip down a little lower. We're looking at the day chart, so the 50 can be pretty strong on the day chart, the 50 moving average, and it's staying well above that. Comes down to reach it a couple times. We have this golden cross here with the 50 cross the 200 moving average, and so that's a good sign, and it's holding so far at this point. And just quickly looking at the other coins, the DigixDAO coin is looking really good, really strong. It also, so here's a good example of it's on the day chart well above the 200. It's holding well above the 50, but these are the moves that the non-Bitcoin altcoins can do when they're following Bitcoin. Bitcoin has dipped down, so this dipped way down to 200, but then came right back up. So it's still doing good. Then there's XRP. XRP is kind of, well, it's kind of being a laggard, but we'll give it some time. It's got good things going. HRH bar, relatively new kid to the block, has some really good things that it's doing and gaining traction in the world and on the commercial scene. So it's building some strength there. It also is doing good. Power, well, Dash is another one. Again, it's following Bitcoin. Dash is a variation of Bitcoin anyway, so it's going to follow Bitcoin. Power, looking really strong. ETN, I have ETN, but unfortunately it does this really crazy strong moves and then falls right back, so I'm not sure what ETN is going to do right now. Another one is, well, Linked is good and looks really promising. IOTA, it's a long-standing one. It's a little bit slower, but once it moves, if you go out to the weekly, IOTA can be a real mover, but it has been, as all of them, in a almost sideways, slightly down, but it's getting into promising territory. Then RLC is another good one, and yeah, there's others, but those are the main ones that I look at. And so there you have it. Bitcoin is still basically holding steady in that channel and trying to decide whether to go up or down. But right now, the way it's looking, its bias is toward the downside first and find a bottom before she'll come back up. So there you have it, guys. Happy trading. And if you like this video, click on the like down below, and don't be afraid to check out those links that I have down below. They are all have to do with blockchain and cryptocurrencies, mostly Bitcoin and Ethereum. So there you go. Have a good one. Bye for now.